very large percentage of people that grind their teeth have obstructive sleep apnea, and it's not even talked about. And most dentists will just give you a night guard. The research shows at least 40%, more than 40%, but in my office I see probably more. And if you like someone grinds your teeth, we actually recommend a sleep study. Do a sleep study, check your airway, because if you have sleep apnea, you try address the sleep apnea, which is actually a bigger issue.
Yeah, it's huge.
If you're grinding your teeth, yeah, you might chip your teeth or wear down your teeth, which is important, but it's your teeth at the end of the day. It can be fixed somehow, somewhat. But if you have sleep apnea, now you're talking about stroke, diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, major health issues that people are constantly taking prescriptions for. Erectile dysfunction also.
Yeah, he's got that.
Sleep apnea.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Happens.